In today's tech video, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to update your Android TV. So let's get started. Some might ask, why should you bother updating your smart TV? Well, updates often bring new features, fix bugs, and enhance overall experience. It's like giving your TV a little boost. Step 1. Settings. First, grab your remote and go to the Settings menu to get things started. Step 2. Navigate to Software Update. Look for Support, General, or About section in your TV settings. Here's where you'll find Software Update or something similar. The wording is different depending on the year of your TV. Step 3. Check for updates. Once you're in the Software Update section, you'll likely see an option to check for updates or Update Now. Step 4. Downloading and installing updates. If there's an available update, your TV will prompt you to download it and install it. This might take a bit, so be patient. Step 5. Restart if needed. After the download, your TV might ask you to restart to complete the installation. Go ahead and do that if prompted. Restarting is a crucial step to making sure that your updates take effect. Well, there you have it. Updating your smart TV is as simple as a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.